Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. It comes the weekend now. Another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you get one at low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get this shipped to you in no time. So we're about to take a look inside. Oh boy, miscut so far. There we go. What do we have here? Whoa. Sorry about that. Now we have the open box. And box is gone. Item is here. We got a pair of jeans. Oh, nice. That's a little bonus today. So you definitely guys can check them out. Not sure if they're for me or got what the request was, but we got a pair of jeans now. Look at these. Oh, these are women's. Okay. Got these for a gift. That's my other request, so the men's should be here soon. But this is part of the Amazon Prime wardrobe, where you could select 8 items and try it on for 7 days for free. And then send them items back you don't want, in case they don't fit or so. It's pretty good. So, these are good old Levi's, I believe. But they got like a lot of top name brands. They got shoes you could try on for 7 days. Jewelry, totes, phone cases, pretty much everything you see on Amazon. But all you gotta do is click the link down below. It'll be easy to set up. You got an option to either buy it now or do the 7-day thing. So if you really want it and you know it's your size and everything, just do the buy it now. But if you're not sure, just do the 7-day free trial of the or free return or whatever it's called. Sorry about that. Of the Amazon Prime wardrobe button that's on the top. So definitely take a look and see what they have to offer. Really cool idea they got going on with Amazon. Great company and a lot of cool stuff out there. So these are really nice, comfy, feel nice. So definitely we're checking, save some money. Do the Amazon Prime wardrobe, see what they have to offer. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. I'll see you in another video shortly, and see ya.